All right, this is section 9.1, scatter plots. On your notes outline, you have these 3 vocab words that are blank, so you'll need to pause this video for you to fill in the vocab words. So we're going to work with scatter plots and talking about correlation. First, you have a strong correlation and then a weak correlation. So strong correlation is when the dots are closer together, and this is all on your notes outline. A weak correlation is more spread out. No correlation is whenever it's kind of all over the place. And then you can also have positive. So on the left are examples of positive, strong and weak. On the right are examples of negative, strong and weak. So looking at the first problem, and this is slightly blurry, hopefully not blurry on your paper. Let me see if I can pull a different document up. All right, so this document looks a little bit less blurry. So we have a data table here, and it is showing the winning times of the Olympic women's 3,000 meter speed skating race. And we are going to use this to make a scatter plot and describe the correlation. So in order to do this, you almost have to start not at 0. So what we could do is make every box go by 4 on the x-axis, and that would represent the years since 1976. So years since 76, and each one of these boxes is going to go by 4. So this would be 4, 8, 10, or excuse me, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, that would be 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 right here. And I cannot write very clearly. Okay. And then we would want to make the y-axis be the winning time. And those times are going up by seconds. Possibly we could make every box be a half a second. So what you do if you draw a little squiggle right here and start at 3, that basically represents that we didn't start at 0, but instead we're kind of skipping part of the graph. And if we make each of these boxes go a half a second, 4, 4.5, 5. I think what we could even do is make these boxes a quarter of a second. So it would take 4 boxes to get to 4, and then 4 more to get up to 5. So this would be 5 seconds. Okay, so then we are going to plot the points. So you would have 4 and then 4.54. So what I'm going to do is plot each of these points. So that point would be somewhere close to there. 8 is 4.41. So somewhere in the middle. 12 is 4.20. 16 is 4.33. 18 is 4.29. 22 is 4.12.